Hey guys, Shana and Tim from Punk Rope. Shana's sporting her new Punk Rope shirt with the skull and the rope bones. Anyway, today we're going to talk to you about a step that unfortunately the name is Wounded Duck. So the contest today is come up with a better name for that because we're not huge fans. But anyway, as with all steps, we start without the rope, and Shana's going to show you the footwork, which is all at the hip. Okay, so it's a combination. We're going external rotation and internal rotation. So there's the external, there's the internal. The legs are going to work as single units. In other words, those knees are going to be fairly stiff. You don't want too much softness there because otherwise, as you rotate externally or internally, you're going to get pressure at the patella, and that's not going to feel very good. So this is really a trick more than anything else, but from a fitness perspective, it does help with hip mobility. As Shana mentioned to me before, it really develops awareness of the difference, first of all, between your external and internal rotation, but more importantly, the difference between the left and the right leg. So I think for Shana, it's which leg do you have more mobility? It's the right, right?
This is more mobility, but it's messed up mobility.
But it's messed up mobility.
Stiff and weak.
Got
and
it.
Hyper flexible and wrong.
Yeah. So you know, for yourselves, maybe you'll notice. Well, hopefully not the same thing that Shana is feeling because that doesn't feel good. But you might notice some differences. So it does develop awareness. So anyway, we got internal, external rotation. Then we can add the rope to the side. That's always step 2 with any new step. Either grabbing both handles, or if you have a wrist trainer, that's an option too. Wrist trainer is basically half a jump rope. So there's the external. That's neutral. There's the internal. External, internal, external, internal. Of course, the pace would be up to you. Okay? And then finally, once you got that down, you are ready to jump through your rope. So you want to make sure it's not tangled. We always do that little foot floss. Boom, there it is. Start with the rope behind your calves, elbows are in tight, nice relaxed grip, and off we go. Okay, external, internal. External, internal, and there we go, alternating with every revolution of the rope.
My left probably definitely
Well,
gets confused.
it looks pretty good, yeah, and sometimes, you know, sometimes one foot might not do what you want it to do, and that's okay. You know, that's information, it's awareness, and that's always helpful. I'm not sure where the Wounded Duck is coming in, but it's just the name.
Like elementary school.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. So, Wounded Duck, guys, soon to be named something else. Thanks for joining us. Give us a thumbs up if you like that. Well, that's true too. Some people are naturally pigeon-toed, some people are naturally turned out. So
There's a belly dancer.
there you go, little plie action there. Guys, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, jot them down below and we will get to you as quickly as we can, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us.